I know my rights. My dad is James God.
Okay.
District attorney. Asked to by the hotel. Don't get any closer. Oh, hell no.
On January 6, 2024, officers were dispatched to the Desert View Hotel following a report of a female guest causing a disturbance. The woman, identified later as Zoe, was allegedly vandalizing property and behaving aggressively towards the hotel staff after being asked to vacate the premises. Witnesses reported that Zoe had been seen throwing objects and yelling at employees, leading to the staff contacting law enforcement for assistance.
What's going on today?
So yesterday, she just went by. I didn't even knock on the door or anything, and she came out and started talking stuff to me, telling me.
Wait, which room was she?
She's over here.
So you went to go knock, you didn't talk to her, and then she came out starting to yell
I
at you?
didn't even knock.
Upon their arrival, the officers engaged with hotel staff to gather initial information. One staff member recounted an encounter where Zoe emerged from her room and began threatening and yelling without provocation. The staff member, who was conducting routine inspections, noted that Zoe's behavior escalated quickly, prompting concerns for safety. The officers confirmed the location of Zoe's room and proceeded to approach her.
Hello, ma'am. Officer Garcia, can you step outside for me?
Getting the out.
Can you step outside for me?
Get the out.
Alright, can I step inside you?
I'm getting the out, dude.
Can I come in?
You can come in and sign out the whole thing.
Alright, cool.
Zoe's initial refusal to cooperate with officers presents a complex legal scenario. While an individual has the right to remain silent and not engage with law enforcement, this right is not absolute. If officers have probable cause to believe a crime has been committed, as established by the Fourth Amendment, they may enter a premises to conduct a lawful arrest. However, the manner in which they enter is crucial. Unreasonable searches and seizures are prohibited, and officers must generally knock and announce their presence before entering a dwelling.
I'm investigating assault on somebody.
Who?
And you're throwing items?
Who?
Or were you throwing items? They're
No.
saying that
I have not thrown anything.
Okay, so right now you're not free to go. If you keep yelling at me, you keep acting, trying to leave, we're gonna put you in handcuffs.
Okay,
you're not free to
well-
go. Put your stuff down and you're not free to go.
Although the officer spoke to Zoe in a very calm voice, she responded in an agitated manner and yelled. This heightened emotional state could be attributed to feelings of fear and defensiveness, common reactions when individuals feel threatened or cornered. Additionally, underlying issues such as anxiety, substance abuse, or mental health conditions might be exacerbating her agitated and non-compliant behavior. Her denial of assaulting anyone, despite evidence to the contrary, might stem from a desire to maintain a positive self-image, fear of legal repercussions, or a distorted perception of reality. Lying can serve as a protective mechanism, allowing individuals to avoid facing the consequences of their actions.
I'm conducting an investigation.
An investigation on what?
Okay, so you're not gonna give me your information?
I don't have to give you my information.
That's fine,
I
you
have
have
the right to remain silent.
Okay, remain silent. That's fine, but you're not free to go.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
I actually
You're not free to
have.
go.
You
You're not free
have nothing on me, so I can leave.
Zoe asserted her Fifth Amendment right against self-incrimination, refusing to cooperate with officers and declining to reveal her identity. While individuals generally have the right to remain silent when questioned by police, this right is not absolute. Law enforcement can detain individuals under specific circumstances, such as reasonable suspicion of criminal activity, and may compel identification during this time. However, the extent to which a person can be compelled to provide information without incriminating themselves is a complex legal issue influenced by various factors, including the nature of the investigation and applicable state laws.
I know my rights.
984.
I know my rights. My dad is James God.
Okay,
District attorney.
that's fine.
Yeah, it is perfectly fine. He can put
984?
you in handcuffs.
That's fine.
Just for doing this.
You're not free to go.
Yeah, well,
You're not free.
While it's true that a district attorney holds a position of authority within the legal system, the claim that her father could personally arrest an officer is inaccurate. A district attorney is primarily responsible for prosecuting criminal offenses. They do not have the power to make arrests, which is typically the role of law enforcement officers. Even if the girl's father were to become involved in the situation, his role would be limited to overseeing the investigation and potential prosecution, rather than directly interfering with the officer's duties. Zoe likely invoked her father's position as a district attorney to intimidate officers and assert control, a common defense mechanism in stressful situations.
you have nothing on me, so I am free to go.
Is he the one that's coming out with me? What's your name?
Exactly.
That's what I'm asking you.
You don't know my name? So you have nothing on me?
So you're saying that you didn't do anything, right?
No.
Okay, they're saying that they did and that they have video footage of it.
Okay, well, show me the video footage.
I can't leave you because you're not free to go.
Children of influential or wealthy individuals may develop a sense of entitlement and superiority due to their privileged upbringing. This can manifest in a belief that they are exempt from the rules and consequences that apply to others. Such individuals may have been shielded from adversity and faced minimal limitations, fostering a perception of invincibility. Additionally, constant exposure to power and authority figures can create an illusion of control over situations, leading to impulsive and defiant behavior when challenged.
Well, I'm not
So you're not free to go. You're not going to leave and you're not free to go.
Oh, harassment! Harassment! Now you got a charge on you.
That's good.
Yeah. You want to double the charges?
That's fine.
You're going to double the charges?
That's fine.
Really?
Zoe's escalating aggression and persistent denial suggest a growing sense of panic and desperation. Her continued emphasis on her father's authority indicates a fragile ego reliant on external validation. This behavior may stem from a deep-seated fear of vulnerability or a perception of being unfairly targeted. As the situation intensifies, her ability to maintain composure deteriorates, further highlighting her emotional investment in projecting an image of invincibility. Ultimately, her refusal to cooperate and escalating hostility leave officers with little choice but to take decisive action, leading to a forceful arrest.
Out like I was asked to by the hotel!
Don't get any closer to me.
Oh, hell no.
You're not gonna assault her.
I'm not assaulting her, bro. I'm not assaulting. What the are you doing? I didn't even touch anybody. You guys are...
Stop.
Zoe's escalation of aggression to verbal assault on officers significantly changed the dynamic of the encounter. While individuals have the right to be assertive and express their disagreement, crossing the line into verbal abuse can constitute a crime, such as disorderly conduct or assault. In such circumstances, officers are justified in using necessary force to subdue and arrest the individual. The use of force must be reasonable and proportionate to the threat posed. Officers then took her to a car, but another drama was about to unfold.
I searched for what?
You're going to jail.
I'm not going to jail. What the Why? What did I do to you?
You can't.
What did I do to you?
You assaulted a police officer.
I didn't assault a police
You
officer!
assaulted me. I thought you were going to hit me.
No, I didn't!
Zoe's continued resistance to arrest can be attributed to several psychological factors. Her defiance may stem from a sense of humiliation and loss of control, reinforcing her perception of injustice. The arrest itself can be experienced as a personal attack, triggering anger and aggression. Additionally, underlying personality traits such as impulsivity and oppositionality may contribute to her behavior. This combative stance can be seen as a desperate attempt to maintain a sense of agency in a situation where she feels powerless.
My dad is district attorney.
Oh, hold on.
He tells me you guys tell him this all the time.
No, these are misdemeanors. You're only on misdemeanors. We're citing you into Las Cruces Municipal Court. All right?
Zoe's actions throughout the incident could result in multiple charges. The initial property damage and aggressive behavior towards hotel staff could lead to charges of vandalism and disorderly conduct. Her subsequent resistance to arrest and verbal assault on officers could result in additional charges of resisting arrest and assault on a peace officer.